Hello everybody, this is Bear 4 back for still what would have been episode 1, but isn't. I just found out that the pause button now does not work. I don't know what caused it, but now I know it's not me hitting the stop button 4 times or 3 times in a row. So you can't blame me anymore. I could have started the recording later though. At least I don't have any broken bones. Clouds are getting intense. Yay. Yay. I know that Alpha hotel got ripped apart immediately. I said no, we're on the right. So I'm gonna stay over here. This area still got ripped up, but not as bad. Seems like I'm jumping higher than normal. Probably not. Hey, don't walk away. Oh, that's why you're walking away. EF5 and an EF1? Oh my gosh, we're not going to make it. That must be an EF. That can't be an EF1, that's an EF5. Ooh, this is some entertainment. This is like having an EF6 created. Impossible, because turn the highest possible, but still. I'm gonna break my legs. Ooh, did I break my legs? No. But, and out of everything that could have killed me, I got killed by a tornado throwing a block into me. Oh well. I'll still live. Maybe. I'm not going to try very hard this time. And I know not to go in the big buildings. It's always the small ones. The small ones. Okay. These chairs look wrong. You should sit in them like that. So you're trying to change what I like in a chair? It's not working. I'll try you from the back. Maybe that chair was just broken. Why can't I walk on this chair without jumping? I'm mad at you, chair. But do what you want, I guess. I wasn't hitting the jump button and it just had auto jump. I don't know why. There's no auto jump, but okay. That pause button. Oh yeah, there. Oops. There's an EF5. And I lost connection. I don't think door works on here. Stop going. Oh well. Usually when I lose connection, everyone does. At least we can find out what the front of it looks like. I would pause it, but like I said, there is no pause. Maybe if I hit stop, it'll work. I don't know.